got that. I got you going there. Let me get me going. Okay,
All right.
you're ready.
So today is the last week of our 4-week progressive. We did a lot of technique and just kind of reviewed some of the stuff, but we did add a sway step. So we're going to talk a little bit about the sway step. So the sway step is essentially just a weight change. So we're going to lower, go to the side. We do a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We added that in with our crossover breaks, and we did our 5th position. So we're going to add it all together. So we start with a basic, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. We do an underarm turn, quick, quick, slow. We did our sways, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We're gonna add another one. Quick, quick, slow to our 5th positions. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We end with a quick, quick. This is Christina. My name is Jim, and we are at ABL. Thank you.
Thank you.